Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use built-in compass Samsung Galaxy S24. So at first open phone settings and then scroll down, go to display, click on this option, first enable, click on, then showing it to compass option, click on to edit, just enable this option and then go back, click on, then showing it to my compass when I'm rotate my display, then it work. So that's how you can easily use this option. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.